Hello everyone, welcome to this video on drying, which is the part of unit operation in food process engineering for BTech food technology students. So I am S.V. Goklavashni from the Department of Food Technology in SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. In this video, we will clearly understand the concept, principles, factors, types of dryers used in the food industry. Before we begin, let us have a quick recall what unit operation means. Unit operations are basic physical steps involving in food processing such as heating, cooling, evaporation, drying and freezing. Today we will focus on drying, which is one of the most important preservation techniques. Before that, let's have a quick recall on what is the difference between the constant rate and falling rate period, why is reducing water activity essential in food drying, and why is moisture removal critical for preservation and altering physical food properties. In this lecture, we will cover definition of drying, objectives, principles of drying, factors affecting drying, types of dryers, drying curve rate, quality changes, and let us have a small Q&A session at the end of the PPT. Drying is defined as the removal of moisture from food to a safe level, maintaining and mainly by removing the evaporation using heat. The main aim is to reduce the water activity, also called as AW, which helps in inhibiting the microbial growth and enzymatic reaction. By lowering the moisture, food becomes more stable and safe for storage. The major objectives of drying includes the preservation. First, preservation means drying that prevents spoilage caused by bacteria, yeast and molds. Next is reducing in weight and volume. This helps in lowering the transportation and storage cost. Next, improved shelf life. Dried food lasts much longer than the fresh food. Creation of unit products. Example includes dried fruit, milk powders, spice powders and snack foods. The principle of drying involves two important processes. First, heat is transferred to the food materials. This causes the moisture at the surface to evaporate. The internal moisture migrates to the surface and continues to evaporate. So, drying is controlled by heat transfer and moisture transfer. Several factors influence the drying process. First, air temperature. Higher air temperature increases the drying rate. Air humidity. Lower humidity allows faster moisture removal. Air velocity. Faster air movement improves drying efficiency. Product characteristics. Say shape, size, thickness and porosity matters a lot. Next, dryer design. The type and efficiency of the dryer also affect the drying rate. Different dryers are used depending on the product and quality requirement. Tray and cabinet dryers, it is mainly used for fruits and vegetables. Drum dryers is used for purees like potato or cereal slurries. Spray dryers commonly used for milk powders and coffee. Freeze dryers provide the best quality by preserving the structure and nutrients. And fluidized bed dryer used for granular materials. Sun or solar drying is a traditional and low cost method. Drying takes place in two major stages. Constant rate period, that is surface moisture is removed at the constant rate. Next is the falling rate period. Internal moisture diffuses control the drying rate. Most food products depend more time in the falling rate period. Drying can cause several quality changes such as shrinkage, color loss or browning, loss of aroma and flavor components, nutrient degradation, especially vitamins C, and among all the methods, freeze drying gives the best quality with maximum nutrient and structure reaction. To summarize, drying is an important preservation technique in food processing. It works by heat and moisture transfers. Drying efficiency depends on the air condition, product properties and dryer design. Different dryers are selected based on the product type and quality requirement. Let us look at the practical question. A food plant observes that dried apple chips are becoming darker than expected. So this browning may be caused by higher drying temperature, long drying time, enzymatic browning, excess oxygen exposure. To reduce browning, lower the drying temperature, use blanching or antioxidant treatment, control oxygen and drying time. So the content of this lecture is referred from the standard textbooks which are given here. Okay, and if you found this lecture useful, like, share and subscribe for more food technology contents. Thank you for watching this video. Let us meet in our next video. Bye.